Invest in learning. Wanna grow your income? Invest in your brain first. Hi, I'm Coach Orlan. And this is Ipon Tip number 13. Before ka bumili ng gadget or mamuhunan sa negosyo, mag-invest muna sa kaalaman. Libre ang YouTube, TikTok at mga e-books sa Google. Maraming videos sa financial literacy, side hustles at business tips. In fact, I can coach you personally if you're interested. Gusto mo mag-online selling? Aralin mo muna paano magbenta online. Gusto mo mag-invest? Alamin mo muna ang mga risks. Knowledge is power. Pero action after learning, yan ang game changer. Comment learn below kung ready ka mag-grow this year. Thank you so much for watching. Sana may natutunan ka. See you in the next video. Bye!